And my daily grain for the troubles people have, they come to my room. I try to find a way to put their wrongs to right, make sense of what has been wearing away. Transcend the seams, sponge to soak the liquid up and throw it down the drain when you ask. I'm understanding words commanding diary entries buried beneath the ground. I spent so many years without letters beside my name, those little protocols, there's for not much else, trade secrets in the dark, the countless memories that are written in the files, in paper and in mind. Sponge to soak the liquid up and throw it down the drain when you ask. Understanding words commanding diary entries buried beneath the ground. So I'll find a way to put all those things right, to open up the blinds and let in some light, till that very day when I hand back the keys, I'll try to find a way to put my wrongs to right, sponge to soak the liquid up and throw it down the drain when you ask. I'm understanding words commanding diary entries buried beneath the ground. Sponge to soak the liquid up and throw it down the drain when you ask. I'm understanding words commanding diary entries buried beneath the ground. Thank you very much. Let's everyone have this video.